HUSA stock, Houston America Energy Inc. stock has run up a huge gain of 157.37% in this session of the 7th of March 2022. In the pre-market session, it reached a high of 108%, but before this regular session opened, it lost about 30% of those gains, but it has now resumed and it is on the move again. So far it is the gain is 155%, but it actually ran up even something way more than that, something probably close to 170%, trading at 5.43. So yes, 5.43, that will give us let's see whether we can determine the gain. 5.43. Okay, it has okay, 5.43. Okay, 4.8. Okay, 4.9 minus 2 minus 3 will give us 1.9. Okay, so this is where it closed on the 4th of March. So let's see, let's get this price again. This is 5.43. 5.43. Okay, 5.43 minus 1.9. Okay, 3.53. Okay, so it's actually 185%. So 185.70% at some point. So right now it is still maintaining that, almost at 4.19, 4.91. Okay, let's look at the underlying trend for the stock. Let's see what's going on there. Okay, yes, of late now it has before now it was quite bearish all the way from November. It started to become bearish, but right now things have settled back again. It is the underlying trend, which is the 200-day moving average, or rather the 200-day moving average underlies what the trend is on the daily chart for the stock. So it's pretty much bullish at the moment. You can see the stock itself started to get bullish from early February, but in this month of March, it just became something else. The angle of attack became a very steep one. We're talking about literally 90 degrees angle of attack, so it is just rocketing all the way up to the moon, as it is right now. So you can see the RSI is completely overbought. Buyers are completely in control right now, totally and absolutely in control, based on this RSI figure of 91.39. Momentum is also very strong. This is all just obviously the daily chart, so it just gives you, it's not doesn't tell you what is exactly going on. So the 1-minute chart tells you what's going on right now, and that's in that case as well. Buyers are definitely still in control based on the RSI figure of 63.60. Momentum is also very strong as well, overbought as well. So the gain is now 165. Okay, as I pointed out earlier on, had actually run up a gain of 185%. So is there any chance that it will continue to rally again? Is there any point of getting involved or even trying to determine a target for the stock? Let's see. But regardless, we'll just go ahead and see what we can do. 5.003 and 4.86. 5.03. So that will give us 0.17 as the difference in those prices. Multiplied by 2.618, we'll get 0.44. We add that to the current price of 4.895. We have a price of 5.34. So that is actually not even just $0.9 shy of this high of this session. Probably it's I believe that might also be its 52-week high. 5.4. Yes, that's its 52-week high. That figure, even though yes, a 52-week high. Yes, it is. So that 5.43 we have there is the 52-week high, and so our target based on what it has done today is 5.34. There's no guarantee it's going to get there. The situation in Ukraine, between Ukraine and Russia, can actually change anytime, even though we know or what I believe that it's going to continue for some time, but things can also dramatically change. So yes, that's how things are right now. Okay, we haven't found any company specific news other than the fact that the stock is strictly associated with oil. That is why it is extending, and technically it hasn't been so wonderful. It is just started to do better in November, but it hasn't been that wonderful as such. So just know what you're doing with HUSA stock. It's the gain is now almost 161%. Okay, and our target is 5.34. See what you make of it, and we'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.